Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Polygon network on MetaMask. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to launch your MetaMask mobile app, and then you need to tap on this top right hand corner of the screen where you will see your favorite networks icon like Ethereum, Avalanche, BNB, etc. So you need to simply tap on this option. After tapping on it, you will see all of the enabled networks, and here you will see Polygon mainnet. But if you are not able to see it over here, you need to first activate it. So in order to activate it, you need to just scroll down, and in the additional networks you will see this Polygon mainnet, and right next to it you will see the add option. So you need to simply tap on the add option and then tap on the confirm option in the bottom right hand corner, and this way you will be able to add Polygon mainnet in the enabled network section. Now you need to simply tap on the Polygon mainnet and wait for some time until it redirects you on the home page again, and this way you will be able to add Polygon network on MetaMask very easily. If this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, you can just subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.